A regular tank has a length 4 meter into 3 meter. So this is the regular tank which has a length 4 meter and width is 3 meter, and the capacity is 30 meter cube. So capacity is 30 meter cube. So they have given the volume here. And a small model of the tank is made with the capacity of 240 centimeter cube. So this is the model and this is the actual one. It's how much? 240 centimeter cube, and this is meter cube, remember. Find the dimension of the model here. So we can find the dimension of the model, and before we find, I think we need to find the height of this one here. So remember, the volume here is equal to length into breadth into height. So what is the volume? 30 is equal to 4 into 3 into height. We do not know the height, so we have to find this. Okay. So height will be how much? Height here will be 30 upon 4 into 3. So this become 10 upon 4, which is equal to 5 upon 2, which is equal to 2.5. So what is the height? 2.5 meter. Remember this part, it is meter always. 2.5 meter. This is the height. Now, then they say here, I mean, we have found it out, you can write it properly. Capacity here is 240 and this is 30 meter cube. So unit have to be the same before we do it. Okay, unless otherwise you will get a wrong answer in it. So these two is a model and they have a K factor in it. Do we know the K factor? They have not given it in it. So what we can do is we can find out the volume of this upon the volume of that, and that is what will give you the K factor. But before that, we have to convert this into centimeter cube. Very important one. So see, we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, but it's a cube relation that we want, so cube it both the side. So when you cube the both the sides, what do we get? 1 0 0 and 0 0 and 0 0. Centimeter cube is equal to 1 meter cube, right? So this is the relation that we have developed. So we have to divide it by multiply with this one, that will get converted into it. So 30 meter cube will be equal to 30 into 10 to the power how many? 2 4 6 6, and this will give you centimeter cube. Understood? So why we need? Because this is centimeter cube, it should be converted to centimeter cube only, right? So it will give you how much? 3 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter cube. Keep it like this. So this is the volume of actual tank. How much? This much. Keep it. Now, so we know that the volume of tank upon volume of model, right, is the K factor, right? So calculate that. What is the volume of K? I'm writing K first. Volume of tank is how much? We just got it. 3 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter cube. And here is 240 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube got cancelled. So what is K factor coming up as? 3 8s are 24. Okay. So we got 10 to the power 7 divided by 80 means 8 into 10. So K factor is coming as 10 to the power 6 upon 8, right? You can remember it, it's okay, there's no need to cancel it part, remember this. Or we can say K factor is 1 and 6 zeros upon 8. If you want to make it, you can cancel it, make it something, okay? Yes, you want. So it will get divided, become what, 50, and I'm keeping the 0 left here, and this will become 4, this will become 2, this will become 25. I'll take 1 0 from here and cancel it. So what is that? 2 125. So we'll get k as how much? 125, and 3 zeros is 2 1. Now we have found for the tank to the model, model to tank will be what? Model to tank will be opposite, 1 upon 125,000. So let it write it properly here. Zero, this is the model, right? So 3 zeros. So model to tank is, this is the k factor, we have got it. So this is k. Now once we have got k, now we can find the corresponding size also, right? Corresponding size, this is 4. Remember, you have to convert this into centimeter, and this will be 400 centimeter, right? This is 300 centimeter, got it? So length is what they're asking, the dimension of the model here. So this will be what? Remember, I do not know the length, so length of the model be L, and writing model upon the length of this actual tank is how much? 400 centimeter. So write 400 centimeter. And remember, we are doing with say smaller to bigger. So smaller is what? 1, and the bigger is 1 to 5000 scale factor. Okay, so this will be 1 upon 125,000. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so length of the model here will be equal to 400 divided by 125,000. So 2 0 got cancelled here. Now can we cancel it? Yes. How much will that be? Length of the model, that will come in centimeter only, so it's going to be very less. Length of this one is 1, and the other one is 125,000. So if you divide, how much will it become? Let me just divide and check it. No, something has been wrong here. Let me check what is wrong. Give me 1 second. Okay, yeah. What is wrong? I'll tell you. We have taken the volume of this, right? So volume is always will give you k cube, not volume of tank upon the volume of model will give you k cube, not k. So this is why it was wrong here. Okay, so it's k cube here. K factor is for only length, is a volume. So we can say is k cube. So we can say k is equal to under root of 1 upon 125,000. So we can write it as 1 upon 5 cube into 10 cube, right? So that becomes k is equal to cube root, right? So 5 will come out and 10 will come out. So k is going to be 1 upon 50. Okay, so we have to use 1 upon 50 here. Okay, not this much. So this is why it went wrong. Okay, whenever you find some absurd number coming up, something which is not common sense applying, that you find is something not logically going to be correct, think in this manner. So it will be 1 upon 50 here. So this will be 50. 1 0 got cancelled, and it will give you 8 exactly. So length of the model is how much? 8 centimeter, because we have found in centimeter, everything converted to centimeter, right? Then how to find the breadth here? So I'm doing the breadth the other side. Breadth of this one is how much? 3 meter, means 300 centimeter. So we'll say breadth of the model upon breadth of the actual one, which is the tank, right? Breadth of the tank should be equal to 1 upon 50. So breadth of the model upon, this is how much, 3 meter means 300 centimeter, 300 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 50. So we find what breadth of the model is 300 upon 50. So 6 5s are 30. So breadth of the model is 6 centimeter. Second answer, we got it. So this length is, we got the length as 8 and this breadth is this one, 6 centimeter is 8 centimeter. Height is only supposed to find out. Height is 2.5 here. So we can find the height here. So we can say height of the model is equal to, height of the model upon height of the actual tank is equal to 1 upon 50 scale factor. So what do we do? What is the height? We do not know. So height of the model upon 2.5. 2.5 meter is there. So 2.5, this become 250 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 50. So height of the model is 250 upon 50 and that is equal to 5 centimeter. So height of the model is how much? 5 centimeter. This height here is 5 centimeter and that's an answer here. Okay, so we have got the height, we have got the breadth and we have got the length also. Volume is already found out here. Fine. No, it was already given, so we found out the other one. Now they're asking this ratio of the total surface area of the tank and its model. Oh, so see, we have got the length of all the sides of the model and we have got the length of all the sides, dimension of all the sides of the cuboid here, the tank here. So we can find this surface area of first one and use the K factor again. Okay, so see, let's do it here. What is the length that we got of the model? That model was, this was the model, right? Length was 8, breadth was 6 and height was 5. Okay, so we will use this to find it out. Okay, now we will use to find the surface area. What is the surface area? Surface area is 2 times total surface area. They are asking you 2 times LB, LH and BH. So that is 2 times L is how much? 8, breadth is 6 plus 8 into 5 plus 6 into 5. So that is 2 times 48, 40, 30. 2 times 88, 118. So that becomes 16. 236 centimeter square. So remember the total surface area of model upon total surface area of tank is equal to K factor. What is the K factor? 1 upon 50 that we have got, right? But remember, this is an area, so it should be square of that. K should be square. It should be K square, not K. So use that. So total surface area of the model is how much? 236. 236 upon total surface area of tank is equal to 1 upon 50 into 50. So total surface area of tank is equal to 236 into 50 into 50. So let's see how much is it. 236 into comes as 590,000 and this will be centimeter square. Are they asking in meter square? No, they are not asking meter square, but we can convert those into meter square also. See, remember 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, but 10,000 centimeter square is equal to 1 meter square. So if we divide by 10,000, it will get converted to meter square. Okay, so 2 zeros and 4 zero got cancelled. That becomes 59 meter square, and that is a total surface area. So total surface area of tank is how much? How much we got? 59 meter square, and that should be the answer. Okay, we have found out the total surface area of the tank, right? And the question that here is what? A ratio between the total surface area of the tank and the model we have to find, not that. Okay, anyway, we have found the total surface area of the, and that will be converted into meter square. So what is the ratio between the two? So there was no need to do all of these. The ratio would have been simply ratio would have been 1 upon simple 1 upon 2500. So ratio would have been 1 is to 2500, and that would have been the answer. Ratio of the model to the ratio of the tank is 1 is to 2500, or ratio of tank to the model will be opposite. Let me see what the question there is. Total surface area of tank to the model here. So I can write it here. Ratio of total surface area of tank upon total surface area of model is 2 5 by 25, right? 0 0 upon 1. This is the ratio. This is the answer for it. Okay, fine. So we got the answer for all of those dimension. We got it, and we solved something more on it, right? They had not asked that total surface area of the tank. It was the ratio that we had to find, and we went a long way and found out the total surface area of the tank also, which is 59 meter square, and that too in meter square. And we found the total surface area of the model also. But that was required in it. Okay, this was required. Fine. Okay, I don't think even if this was required in it. So this is done now. Let's see the next question in it.